The body of Phukang Chuchan, the Phuket taxi driver who was killed during a grenade attack at the shutdown Bangkok protests, has returned home to a hero's welcome. Mr. Prakang's body arrived early Tuesday morning at Sarasan Bridge, where it was met by hundreds of mourners, who joined a parade to the heroine's monument, where hundreds more had gathered to pay their respects. The body was taken to Wat Get Ho, where funeral services will be held this week. Mr. Prakang leaves behind a wife, 2 daughters aged 22 and 17, and a 7-year-old son. Anchali Tepabut, the long-standing Phuket Democrat MP, called for all Phuket people to help provide assistance for the family. Full details at phuketgazette.net.